The image displays a Sankey diagram illustrating the point of sale, POS, architecture of a coffee shop, including its central kitchen and related processes. Sankey diagrams are a type of flow diagram where the width of the arrows is proportional to the flow rate. In this context, the flow represents the movement of materials, information, or potentially financial value within the coffee shop's ecosystem. Here's a detailed breakdown of the elements and flows depicted. Nodes, rectangular boxes. These represent different entities, processes, or locations within the coffee shop's operations. Bank, likely represents financial transactions entering or leaving the system. Central accounting receivable, AR, represents the management of money given by the coffee shop. Coffee shop accounting, the accounting functions specific to the coffee shop operations. Coffee shop, Bombay, coffee shop, Calcutta, coffee shop, Lucknow, individual coffee shop locations. Coffee shop, customer feedback, the point where customer feedback is collected or processed. Store 3, Store 1, Store 2, likely represent different physical retail locations or potentially different stages of the sales process, though less likely in this context. X, finished goods in transit, represents finished goods, like prepared food or coffee products, being transported from the central kitchen to the stores. Central kitchen, the central facility where food and coffee items are prepared or processed. Van, raw material inventory, the inventory of raw materials stored in a van, likely for transport to the central kitchen or potentially directly to stores. Supplier inventory, the inventory of raw materials held by the suppliers. Coffee shop rejection items, items that have been rejected by the coffee shops, example due to quality issues, and are being returned or processed. QC, central buying, the quality control process associated with central purchasing of supplies. Central purchase, the central department or process responsible for procuring supplies. Coffee shop purchase, potentially represents individual coffee shop locations making specific purchase requests or receiving supplies. Flows, arrows with varying widths. These represent the movement or connection between the nodes. The width of each arrow indicates the relative volume or importance of that flow. Flow from bank to central accounting receivable, AR, suggests financial inflows or records related to money owed to the coffee shop. Flow from central accounting receivable, AR, to coffee shop accounting, indicates the transfer of financial information to the general accounting of the coffee shop. Flow from coffee shop accounting to coffee shop, Bombay, and coffee shop, Calcutta, implies the distribution of accounting information or financial results to these specific locations. Flow from coffee shop, Calcutta, to coffee shop, customer feedback, shows customer feedback originating from the Calcutta location. Flow from coffee shop, customer feedback, to coffee shop, Lucknow, suggests the aggregation or routing of customer feedback, potentially to inform operations at the Lucknow location. Flow from X, finished goods in transit, to Store 3, Store 1, and coffee shop, Bombay, depicts the distribution of finished goods from the central transit point to these locations. The varying widths suggest different volumes being sent to each. Flow from central kitchen to X, finished goods in transit, shows the output of prepared goods from the central kitchen moving towards distribution. Flow from van, raw material inventory, to central kitchen, indicates the movement of raw materials from the van inventory to the central kitchen for processing. Loop from Store 2 to central kitchen and back to Store 2, this is an interesting flow. It could represent returns, Store 2 sending back unsold or rejected items to the central kitchen, which are then potentially redistributed or processed again, eventually returning to Store 2. Specific inventory management, a cyclical process of inventory being managed between Store 2 and the central kitchen. Flow from supplier inventory to coffee shop, Lucknow, and coffee shop rejection items, suggests raw materials flowing to Lucknow, and potentially rejected materials flowing back towards the supplier's influence. Flow from coffee shop rejection items to QC, central buying, indicates rejected items being reviewed by the quality control during central purchasing. Flow from QC, central buying to central purchase, shows quality control findings influencing the central purchasing decisions. Flow from central purchase to coffee shop purchase, suggests the outcome of central purchasing being directed towards individual coffee shop purchases. Flow from coffee shop purchase back towards central kitchen, this could represent orders or requests from individual coffee shops to the central kitchen. Overall interpretation. The Sankey diagram provides a high-level view of the interconnectedness of various aspects of the coffee shop's operations. It highlights the central role of the central kitchen in processing and distributing goods. The diagram also shows the flow of financial information, customer feedback, and the handling of rejected items. The varying widths of the flows give a visual indication of the relative importance or volume at each stage. Key takeaways. Centralized production. The central kitchen appears to be a key hub for preparing finished goods. Distributed sales. Finished goods are distributed to multiple locations: Store 1, Store 2, Store 3, Coffee Shop, Bombay. Feedback loop. Customer feedback seems to be collected and potentially used to inform operations. Quality control in purchasing. Rejected items are linked to the central purchasing quality control process. Inventory management. There are different stages of inventory management depicted: supplier, van, finished goods in transit. Financial tracking. Financial flows are shown from the bank through accounting processes. This Sankey diagram offers a valuable visual representation of the coffee shop's operational architecture, allowing for a quick understanding of the key entities and their interrelationships. Thank you.